Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meena Bimshad and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School of Ed Campus Islamabad, and today I'm doing my TEDx talk review. So let's start it. Hello everyone. Today my topic is A New Tomorrow by Rida Shah. So let's start it. This inspiring talk teaches us that every day, every new day is a chance to start fresh and create a better future. um, Rida Shah explains that our tomorrow is not determined by luck alone. Like instead, it is shaped by the choices we make today. She encourages us to believe in ourselves and overcome fear and take positive actions. So, one of the most important messages of the talk is that change begins from within. Many people wait for the perfect opportunity before taking action, but Rida Shah reminds us that even small steps can lead to a big result. When we learn from our mistakes and keep moving forward, we become stronger and more confident, right? So the talk also highlights the importance of having a positive mindset. Challenges and failures are a natural part of life, but they should not stop us from pursuing our dreams. Like even obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. By staying hopeful and determined, we can build a brighter future for ourselves and for others. Another lesson I learned is that we all have the power to make a difference. So our actions, no matter how small, can inspire people around us. When we choose kindness and hard work and courage, we help create a better tomorrow, right? In conclusion, I will only say that a new tomorrow is a powerful reminder that the future starts today. If we believe in ourselves, take action, and never give up, we can achieve great things and create the life we want. So, thank you for watching, viewers. Hope so you like it. So, viewers, hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.